Okay, the second question is actually a very long one, but I'm going to shorten it. While rail has taken center stage in this campaign, there has been very little conversation about the vision of the future. What is your vision of the future, and how would you move Honolulu toward that vision?
So, rail is part of that vision for me, but this is why I'm really passionate about infrastructure, both rail, both sewer, and water. Is how do we change how we've developed the past 50 years? I think about myself as a kid being born in Waipahu, driving into town to go to Liberty House when 4th Street Mall was a street, and there's sugarcane all the way from Waipahu to Kalihi, and look at it today. I believe if we don't change how we grow and develop, we will have houses going from Mililani all the way to Haleiwa. We need to live differently. We do that by living in a more dense way, in a more concentrated way in the urban core, but better. And by better, that means we have to have the infrastructure to move around as more people move here, and not just be reliant on the car. We need a sewer system that's not going to exceed capacity. We had problems out in this area. There still is a problem. They have a temporary solution now. And we need to have our water system redone because it's over 50 years old since statehood. So I see a city where we have affordable housing, both rental and for purchase, in the urban core. So our children and grandchildren and great-grandchildren can live here instead of having to move to places like Vegas or LA or Oregon or other places they're moving. And with good quality jobs, because we are a vibrant community that's open to business from all sectors, which means we need the type of infrastructure I've talked about. And we live better because our real treasures, our parks and our beaches, are maintained and cared for. So we can get to them, celebrate what's best, enjoy the outside, but also live better within our urban core. Keep the country country. And I mean that means Kaneohe, Kailua, Waimanalo, Nanakuli, Waianae, Waimanalo, and even parts of Hawaii Kai. So we can live better in those areas too. Thank you.